Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a good day to everyone. I am Roslan Effendi, the CEO and founder of Lumeminds, and a leadership and talent management specialist over 30 years of experience across Southeast Asia and APAC and globally. Over the course of my career, I have had the privilege of working alongside with senior leaders from some of the world's most respected organizations, namely Continental Tire in Germany, CTRM, Koki Masunaga from Japan, Volvo Truck Malaysia, Sime Dabi Industrial, Cargotec in Finland, Scania Truck in Sweden, and many more. And in all those years, one thing has remained constant. The leaders who truly excel are not just technically sharp, they are strategically bold and emotionally intelligent and relentlessly committed to their growth. And this is precisely why I am so excited about the C-Suite Accelerator program at Wales. This is not a generic leadership course. It is a high-impact program designed exclusively for CEOs, for directors, for senior leaders who are ready to elevate their leaderships and business impact. So the program combines 3 months of executive learning at Wales with a 10 days immersion experience in Universiti of Wales, United Kingdom, offering global exposure and practical business insights. Participants will also learn directly from top industry leaders and experienced C-suite mentors who bring real-world expertise to every session. Best of all, the program is 100% HRDC claimable, making it a valuable investment in leadership's excellence and organizational growth. So what excites me most about this program is a practical approach. In my 30 years of developing leaders, I have seen time and time again that what transforms organization is not theory. It is ability to apply the right thinking and at the right time with the right people. The C-Suite Accelerator program is designed to do exactly that. If you are the senior leader who is serious about growth for yourself, for your team, for your organization, this program is exactly for you. I've spent my career helping leaders unlock their potentials, and I can tell you with confidence the investment that you make in yourself today will pay dividends for years to come. Join the C-Suite Accelerator program at Wales. Lead better, lead bolder, and lead with purpose. See you in August. Assalamualaikum.